Waray-Waray language is changing. In today's generation of Waray people, they tend to use English, Tagalog, or Cebuano to replace some of the Waray-Waray terms. Hello everyone, my name is Alexis. Welcome to the Learner's Guide. In this video, we will learn some of the rarely used Waray-Waray terms. Let's begin. Aludayday. Waray people use the term guidelines. Anteojos. Waray people use the term eyeglasses. Bakunawa. Waray people use the term eclipse. Bituon. Waray people use the term star. Bayhon. Waray people use the term cheek. Wait. Waray people use the term lips. Tuminongnong. Waray people use the term early settlers. Ulaping. Waray people use the term mushroom. Ismabul. We prefer to use the term chinelas, which means flip-flops. Idro. We prefer to use the term aeroplano, which means airplane. Hey! Did you enjoy this video? Click subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!